Okay. Hi, good morning. I'm here now with the same what I did yesterday. I mean root words. The root words I'm going to finish today. Tomorrow I'll come with some prefix and suffix because I told you that I'll be finishing these all. After that we should go for offline or we should go for some. We should do something different. So now just before starting, I want to here announce the names. I want to pay thanks to those students or those all the people who have been appreciating me. Like some of them are Nitesh Mishra, Ravi Kumar, Rohan Kumar, Rakesh Singh Rathod, Yogesh Yadav, Siddhnath Arya, Akshay Dubey, Lokesh Ranjan, he was also a student at Neva Center, Rajiv Kumar, Sushmita Raj, and many more friends. Those who have been appreciating me. So now you see, yesterday it was the number was 62. In 63 or before I think 63, I want to draw your attention to this thing that in prefix we should be reading tomorrow that there are many prefixes which are negative like in, un, be, d, ill, ir, miss. Actually, these all are negative prefixes of Latin, making words negative, like you see here, impossible, like incomplete, indisciplined, infamous, unhappy, undone, behave, he was beheaded, train was derailed, dishaped, illegal, irregular, misbehave, misunderstanding, meaning thereby many such words you'll be getting. So related to these all, now I am coming to some prefixes, as I said, root words, like 63 is coming, of Latin origin, or the same, like not or without, like you see here. I'll come here, amiss means without amiss, or asexual, or historical, means not historical, asexual means not sexual. In botany, actually this is used. Amoral, like the word is moral, and that amoral, not morally correct. So or is used in this way, like ab or abs, the same of origin. Although I should make it clear. Here actually I was wrong. Correct please. This is of Greek origin. Of. And this is Latin. Away or from. Away or from. Like absent, abdicate, abduct, abhor, to hate, sound you see, abhor, sound is different. And of Latin origin, near, meaning near, like adjacent, adopt, adapt, adopt, known to you, to accept, and when it is adapt means go accordingly, according to, go near. Now, this of Latin origin, ante means before, like antecedent, before happening, antedate, antenatal, natal means birth, before birth. But if we talk about sound same, anti, this is of Greek origin, means against, opposed, like antisocial, antibiotic, anticlimax, antisocial element, many such words. I am not writing to you all, many words are known to you. My purpose is to make it clear that anti, Greek origin, against or before. So if you find such word, you can understand easily, like B or D. Again, this is of Greek. First you B, like twice, meaning is twice or double, like bisexual, bicycle, bigamy, bilateral, many words are there. Bilateral, bigamy, gamy means marriage, so double marriage that is. D, like of D you see here, dioxide, diphthong with this here. Contra or counter, contra or counter, TER. Latin, again against or opposition, that is like contraband, contradict, counter, counter attack. Contradiction, counter, counter attacks, like fore, F-O-R-E, very simple. This is of Old English. Before or front. This is also front, like forefinger. So this is forefinger, forecast, forehead, foreground, foresight, many. Forecast, like weather forecast. So this is forefinger, forecast, and many such words. Fore means before or front. And now, second last for today, hyper. This is of also Old English, but this is related to Greek. That origin actually not known to me. Hyper, he goes hyper soon. Hyper means too much. That is too much. Like hyperactive. So when something goes too much, it is said to be hyper. Many times people use hypercorrect, hypersensitive, such words are used. And last word hypo. H-Y-P-O. Hyper and hyper. These both are of Greek origin. And just opposite of that one, here less, that too much, and here they too little. You see. Hypodermic, hypothermia, hypochondria, many such words. Hypothermic, hypodermic also it is used. This word I have made you write earlier, like injection given under the skin, that is, so that it too little or under, that is. So these some prefixes, and the rest tomorrow I will bring to you, and then I also bring to you tomorrow some suffixes. So this is all about the class for today. So see you tomorrow according to time. Thank you, and thanks a lot for watching me.